Welcome to Jones Chevrolet Cadillac, where you'll always get more car for less money guaranteed. And here's more good news. We also give you more peace of mind, a lot more, with our exclusive 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty at no cost to you. That's right, buy or lease a new Jones Chevrolet or Cadillac, and you'll get a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty at no extra charge. Plus, you don't have to come back to Jones for maintenance or repairs. You can do that at any licensed repair shop in the United States. Now that's confidence. So here are the facts. For up to 20 years or 200,000 miles, this warranty provides incredible powertrain coverage. This includes your engine block, cylinder heads, transmission, transaxle, transfer case, drive axle including 4-wheel and all-wheel drive, U-joints, CV joints, and bearings. All internally lubricated parts for all of the above and much more. We also make it easy to use this coverage when you need it most. There's a low deductible of only $100 per repair visit, and this covers both parts and labor. You'll just need to make sure that your Chevrolet or Cadillac is serviced at the factory recommended mileage intervals, that you keep receipts for all services performed, and that all warning lights are completely functional. Your new Chevrolet or Cadillac is an important investment, and we want to help you protect it. That's why Jones Chevrolet Cadillac is proud to offer this exceptional warranty at no extra cost when you purchase a new vehicle from us. We'll make your dream of owning a new Chevrolet or a new Cadillac become a reality, and we'll make driving your vehicle worry-free. Plus, financing rates are very low, and we've got amazing deals you have to see to believe. So please call us at 803-469-2515 or visit us at 1230 Broad Street in Sumter, South Carolina. Drive away with peace of mind today.